Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open Google application and then click on the right upper corner. After that, tap here to the settings and click to voice. After that, click to the voice match, and if you wanna turn on Hey Google feature, you should click here only once on the switcher. Now tap here to the next, read the description and click yes, I agree. Then tap here to continue. And now we can see here that the Hey Google option is activated, but we should also add our voice model here. So click retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just tap here to finish. And when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully turned on. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.